Alright, so today we got a package from Rough Country. It's the steering stabilizer, dual stabilizer. So we'll open it up here and take you guys along for the install. So this is the mounting bracket. Sits on your axle, mounts to your diff cover, your front diff cover, and then you have your ram coming out and out. So. Comes with all the hardware, 2 more mounting plates, a little Rough Country bracket, of course, comes with the shocks themselves. So yeah, let's get to installing this. Sit like that. Oh, and you have a U-bolt coming in on the backside, also hugging this to your axle. So it's a 15 mil. We'll take those off right now. Oh yeah, of course, can't get the impact in the bottom. Now you take this U-bolt, it's got 2 15 mil nuts on the back, and you come from the back side with it. Around your axle. Back in here. You're gonna want to take your stabilizer shock. There's a sleeve in there when you throw the bolt through. Mount it on the top. Same for the other side. Just let it rest there. RC bracket. Oh, already scratched it. Slide it up under there. And washer and a nut. It shows they mount it on the bottom, but I'm gonna mount it up top. I think it looks better, so I don't see how it could function any different. I need tie rods. Somewhere. thing for a drive. Oh yeah, definitely less wandering, no hands on the wheel. I think that's just slopping my tie rods now, to be honest. That thing's sick. Yeah, she drives way better. Still like has a little bit of play, but I think that's just my tie rods because they're pretty shot, so won't really get the full effect of the steering stabilizer until I put new tie rods on, which I better do that probably today. So that being said, that's gonna end today's video, and I'm gonna go get some tie rods.